Hi, this is Rose Tinted Monocle, and today, as part of the APM free food, natural medicine, grow your own series, today we're talking about pine and the benefits of their little baby buds that are starting to grow today. So I've seen a lot of videos and foraging stuff about different ways of making this into cough medicine, into cordials and stuff, but I'm just going to preserve them in honey and do it the same way as the flowers in vinegar. Now, what's important about pine is it's an expectorant. So that actually means it helps the body remove mucus from your lungs when you have a cough. So it's a really good base to make cough medicine that you start to make now, so then you're able to make it closer to the time when you need it in the winter. So I've got a hot water 10-minute sterilised method. I picked these about an hour ago, so I'm quite excited about the fact that I'm going to get these done in almost an hour. Ooh. Please forgive the plastic. So as you can see, they're all just the little ends. And this is why it's good to collect some little gels. Yeah, that's it. Ooh. Crash. Bang, wallop. Any more for any more? I think that's it. Excellent. So then, just like in other methods, squish it down as much as possible because you want the honey to cover the top, and as much of the goodness absorbing into the honey to take on all the properties of the expectorant. Now, if I was more organised, I'd have all the extra funky terms. Right, so one of the honeys I'm using is raw honey straight from the farm. And this is quite a thicker set, but this is where all the antibacterial and stuff qualities are. Ooh. You can hear my lovely neighbours next door having great fun in the lockdown. Right, so as this is a lot thicker set, I'm going to use runnier honey, but I want to use this because of the extra goodness that's in this one. Oh. And that will take a while to seep down in between all the needles. Excellent. And then I've got this one, which is a clearer runnier honey, and it's actually still got the honeycomb, some honeycomb in it as well. So this will mix in with the set honey. Make sure that's all on the inside. Right, so that will all start to seep down. There you go, bubble. So I'm just going to lightly put that on the top, and then that will take some time. I'll stick that on my windowsill next to my other lilac and flowers. And then that's the base of some really useful cough syrup in the winter. Thanks for watching.